aseda kesi enkoma aha the Bonah show nyame yadma ene Ghana ene Colombia ebo Ghana for the na say yen drop it Jordan are you
of course
what the bird chiache to you Jordan you say yen then because e come here say as in fact
yes no correct the all can no correct but to me there Jordan are you there there's no way say drop it Jordan
there is no way
no because your squad here was so far you up front no obiara ni ho a one numbers in terms of appearance Jordan
okay
aside the no so crown osai captain
okay
oh na sometimes ye tiechira ye hu niema bebre bet coaches and the staffs and hu niema bebre ye hu
okay
because Jordan discipline
okay
one begana for hu ni sa two tactics na coach ni bo no eboa no
okay
e ma na timi box fine
okay
because Jordan without and with the ball ni nyina the energy will game no
okay
but sometimes Ghana for no say how I ball your passion no football no so much inti mistake be no ye be ba show
okay you about 3 matches
yes
nyame yadma
the fourth match
na eboy 3 matches na yabono to you as a football analyst the performance no who rate your man say
we say sometimes players there your bad days and good days
no you about 3
it per me Jordan rating am dey man no I will never rate Jordan because of say
1 to 10
on shego
no young family 1 to 10 we man
so far tournament we may rating the 6.5 although on shego
okay
but the pressing in the game how I will contribute in the game no it may man 6.5
Seka una Ghana Black Stars coach enka any match we because they're very crucial knockout stage enye agona yebedi nya hwehwe ni mu enye stars
yes
uhia performance enka be ma Jordan a start
yes on any day Jordan will start on any day because somebody say Jordan ni nua ni dey you somebody passion dey you work for Black Star the same passion na Jordan I will never drop Jordan on any day because of say on go. And now we say Jordan so the natural position so no born.
There be anu dey omuntimi me count.
Yes. And no
there be anu dey Ghana form person.
Yes, as a football fan there no dey me know where d'accord.
Yama Monday.
Yes.
As a coach.
Yes.
What you say? And two team make say enye obi not there be
okay. Okay, ubusa me as a coach.
Una so say
yeah.
What they count on said Jordan no even the position in your natural position.
Of course.
And I'm person say me yempese better.
Okay, but on person better no. But me if say you are asking me based on say me coach me start Jordan every day. Only if say Jordan a fitter. Me start no.
Ghana against Colombia.
Yes.
Final score you say. Or predictions.
Ghana Colombia game were very dicey.
Okay.
Very very dicey. And then they don't come in person me predict it.
Okay.
Because game no. Both sides need 50-50.
Okay.
Obi a bit me win.
Okay.
A quite extra time ne ko penalties a enye me wanwa bebrebe. Because Ghana you share South Americans na enye. Because this is the fourth time you share South American opponent. Already na Brazil a share. Uruguay di kan share 2022 no. And I feel so 2010 the penalties. Obi abeka Samoa Gyan issue no.
Yeah.
Inti your story with the South Americans it's not all that good.
Okay.
But each and every day sports exercise.
Okay.
Inti and then Ghana me tipi omo. Me tipi omo as well as me tipi Colombian because Colombians were fine squad. Omo fine squad defense middle up front no. Baby akleke kama.
Okay.
Inti if say Ghana you take your chances you defend it like England game na.
It's your patches and defensive ana.
No, this game is you defend the baby by MY. Because we say England game no. You who say you ni mom already. With Saka, with Anthony Gordon or Rashford no. You need so much be cutting, be placing but with Luis Diaz story na different. Or you very skillful. You defend the baby by you refuse James Rodriguez is for right side. Also you very skillful although when you need but meet me shock anytime.
Okay.
One pass, so the moment striker Luis Suarez.
Yeah, oh, why not?
Was share more than 40 plus goals for Sporting. To a very clinical.
Okay.
He defended baby MY. And a tournament you want is a penalty cost super. Who defended baby by 1 here? 9 minutes to bring a penalty. Yes, and no Africans na in frame.
Okay, remember how Osha Africa round 32 years. Come here say African teams na free me now no. 85th minute yentimi mopiem.
Yeah.
Coach we yen name say what tournament will be the experience will be. We are sure say obetimi dey try 85th minute no. In case they are gonna lead like 2 goals.
Okay. Yeah. Because
to you, how you coach and you lead it 2. Senegal coach na kamo lead it 2 Ndi na kabe.
You hear stability of game. At least you bet me do be a midfield that you bet me hold the play no. Pa near boka kra because ball is equitable. Now possess the opponent in a break.
Okay.
But watch it too. Didn't now say attack you.
Enti ene nyame adom na second half 40th minute and 80th minute Ghana lead by 2 goals ayenye day.
Oh, Ghana lead by 2 goals. We say last match we Croatia Caleb Caleb bebo kakra. Na ye. Fata won su ba mu na ye. But if say me a coach na in the game no. Or statistics Pate no mo boa. Second half no. We say Pate is a good passer. Or a good passer. It will make me the Caleb baba. Near stabilize the game like kakra. Ye impress me.
On member says an 8.
Yes.
Now only
Sibu ana Elisha. Either Sibu ana Elisha.
Okay.
Wait me drop because Pate they untouchable.
Okay.
Because Pate were in 15 stability were chire.
My father says Sibu bought to 80th minute now.
Yes, like the way no any crucial game na. Wait me apply the same thing. There stability in 15 because I previously happened to all African teams washe now pressing aside she be. And that a winning mentality no. Africans still na that so lucky. You play as a parody for this tournament in Europe. And so still that winning mentality in here.
Based on your performance. Now, a suffer for no any abosom for ne ko say eyomo nyankoma de mo ye eyomo pa yomo bontina Ghana drum pempenso no me pese me boss of bia na say bosum bia din to you adentina o say banisa
oh baby me there
e come here say Ghana nko ana enmonyam no ye mfa ma technical team any players no
yes I know but na give it me my coach ni credit than say e be kan say bia
bosum bia na say
because adentina Hurricane in Ghana and boy. Watch a children. Who free while the next 2 games were pushing another African country. I didn't want a children the night.
Okay.
Where Jana Manabe Shakungu for it to a Makungu for a free me. Tina go bit my such a hurricane. But football day to me a drone.
Okay. And to you, Sani Munyamna, Nana Kokubun some edge. I didn't know you. Oh,
me to me can say I didn't know you because football day. Yes, football day. Predictable. You can predict football. It may be a bit more predict. Say Hurricane ain't shego. It's true in knowledge, you know. Say Hurricane shego. No, watch a Hurricane. I'm a swa. You the praise in the man. But we say what if say Hurricane share?
Okay. To me, the entire I suffer for no any sabi abosom some for no. Eklemu glory ni nyina say.
Sorry.
Mario Osi and Kanokra. Ghana preparation towards this World Cup. We rating say. Kanokra.
Oh, Ghana preparation they name because it's not easy. Like sacking the coach, bringing in a new coach. Now they straightforward they no call World Cup. It's easy. That's why I me a person Ghana for credit in my coach, you know. Than say they will move before I work as a watch will be.
Dabi, I was saying the more o machichire are you for players no.
Dabi, me no nya adwen sa. Okay, fine. Only omoya adwen.
Me kasam no omoya adwen. Me but on say if you asu bi open and obi anya mu wura be ka na adwen
Of course.
We are sure say ka GFF one you omadwuma ya.
Yes.
And ebi aye koyi. Coach we mo de ne by 2 years for prepare. Boys no obi o deserve bi an ekobo pon no. We are sure say ka sofofo ani abosomsomfo ba be claim ownership.
Oh, that thing enye ene na esi. Ghana de ye be ko tournament bi enya so for man predict.
Enye ne sa but your preparation team e kwan dan ho.
Oh.
Na who say obi claim Argentina team ne say ne dia, on e ko
Yes,
bi am
yes.
Argentina.
No ho. And afin so Ghana ye team we no. Who say metima ka say a new team kakra. And omo enya good preparation. Omo enya good preparations a. Nti obi a hu ni say Ghana ye team no. Balance, lose balance kakra as a team no. Enye asa me mfibi na ye de kobo.
Okay.
Nti obi atimi kire na adwen.
Okay.
Obi atimi kire na adwen. But me if say Ghana qualify group stage kra, kame mblemu obi a ye beba back, ye prepare team because enche be kwa afcon. Nti ye ho nanke a start ehwe coach no. Ya hwe say if say coach no ya ade na onya ade a because he say you want to be my coach no credit. And I want to be man pressure. Because tournament how many matches ne yebo?
Dodo na eblemu semenyo say club side adwuma na oye no enye no na oye ma the national team.
Yes.
Coach ni dropping ana.
No, drop semenyo na de ho aba. Hey, semenyo ye hot cake o.
Matthias said to you
Oh, semenyo ye. Because semenyo impact o game no. Next level.
Okay.
Semenyo obe drive ball no, obe tackle, obe make you runs, and the physique or very strong. Iti we say na make a club side ball no, any national team ball no, it's a whole different thing. Go club side no. Semenyo ne Haaland enable. Semenyo nim say me drive ball no to the right side me cross Haaland ba be she me do be pim. But club side no, how many Ukraine nya dey prepare for tournament?
Inaki yenye ne dey.
Inaki this season na the form nye. No so kan. But me player na me person na nke man playing time more. Wenya. Brandon Thomas Asante.
Yeah, but nyasa wanya ye free.
Ye man no time, but time na the man no less.
Isra.
Because this season was she goes pa.
Yeah, but me crowd here me one say your first match na winning one. Ono na yes.
Yes, on be far ball no. A driving defender no cross ball no ma Caleb say.
Mincho ano this tournament. Switzerland for omo the small boy be by
Mazambi or Freiburg or very good.
The performance in the following match no on your ample time.
Yes, that's it. We show 2 goals. We free bench we show 2 goals.
So based on this, can you say your coach no only freedom or they manage team
no? Freedom the me the intimi nka say we need freedom because oye coach. Yes. Because the intema make us say.
Me so bibia obi enu obaba ba chi.
But you wait me kaka. The intema make us say me intimi nka say we need freedom. They say one dey coach no. One dey adwuma na man. It if say the intema me make us say intimi nka say we need freedom. They say ye the team na man. Nobody can tell me say coach no be a selection man. It's coach we betena say no be a selection man. Na all lose ni e blame so onya ade ana.
Come here, so okay, no, we more.
Yes, it is a coach. If say coach no, yes, I am man Ghana for can.
And yet Ghana for neck.
Ghana for can.
Coach is now free, a free team.
Oh, no, I didn't know. So free team no. I didn't know so free team no. Azano abekasa. Eno na ya menti ase
no, come here.
No. Because your coaches be be o your coaches be o oba. Now try say we interfere na dwuma obekọ. You be terminate contract na obekọ. Ebi ni Thomas Tuchel. That coach Thomas Tuchel.
Nyabetre. Unya sure say coach no only freedom.
Oh, coaching nobody can tell me so only freedom. Freedom based on the selections and the freedom.
But says I also tia na wo ka say Brandon onya
because Thomas Asante so the first time ye dey na tournament bi ti say ni. Nti bia no so take part. Nti bia as time goes on e ko ye nim bia Thomas benya more time because he's a Jordan mo nyina say omu age ni ade bia o be make way na ki mo nyina mo nyinyine. Nti bia o be make way the nearest future.
You player ben na wo bench wa wo sha coach ni betimi de no abe upgrade your team no.
Your team no the who say make Caleb. Caleb guy no starting we good, free bench boy good.
Okay.
The next season no. That guy no there be am trusting he is very good.
Okay.
The energy level was so. If so was starting if so free bench ba is good.
goalkeepers. Benjamin Asari, any Atizigi. Now, acquire camps me over online. Don't know patch say Atizigi watono. And Tiaman started.
Yes, and crabby that news.
Very good. Don't know so cassette Benjamin performance there. See a man Tnasia. A chese ye camp or BB Koso.
But media, if say me a coach now, and there's no way say Atizigi better. Why? Because Atizigi prior first match. Benjamin Bay will be performing. Come on. Even say England receives away, we are seeing a body dinner man for crying to Toulouse near the other. Emma Toulouse won't grab a casa as a woman pen near the other. Wow, it's your next game, your next Croatia receive away.
Yeah,
not me minimum coffee than every game. Make a coffee. I am a right after save now. Oh, yeah, and a goal scoring chance no deny.
Yeah,
Croatia for the defenders in age now. I have a Bonah. I am a yapa because save no air, no crucial save.
Yamana nanya.
May disappointed.
Yamana nanya, obey disappointed.
Ah,
Obey Jedi which means team no coaching any freedom.
Oh, coach no freedom to choose whoever he like. Coach no, coach no, Bonah, coach no, freedom to choose anybody or no they pay. But sometimes sometimes
we a football analyst.
Yes.
What the boy check?
Yeah.
Say Benjamin Asari are not going na cannot create.
Oh, Benjamin and that, and a medical catch say, I will never substitute Benjamin for Atizigi.
Into which means BB Koso.
Oh, okay, say and train my lineup number. Because you know, you suggested say, Atizigi na a better, Atizigi na better, Atizigi na better, but I don't see it that way. The my lineup number never had it. But the Benjamin and that, may shocked. The Benjamin and that after game no, na your results, papa, coaching na so beshi. We be feeling the first hit from Ghana for.
Coach now about 3 matches.
Yeah.
We losing one. We about draw one. We winning one.
Yeah.
To you, you retaining no. You find African Cup.
Yeah. Coach, we dey say manage man because our experience be brave.
Okay.
Experience be brave because our coach Portugal, our coach Iran, our World Cup, our Bobia, knockout stage, our Bobby. So a really experienced coach. Okay. You keeping a boy. And what I like about that coach is Bonah Adrian. Bonah Adrian. It is a Ghana for say coach need freedom in the nearest future and so need freedom. Because that coach you may trust no.
And now Panama share documentary BBC. Now almost coach wa coach Portugal.
Yeah.
Enti onimo.
Yeah.
As football analyst, say coach be a coachy country be now or different country now on initial or advantage be over them and I know
no we say Colombia no coach Colombia no we say Copa America do mo quarter final no mo free after no the following year no be ball qualifies na anko yi almost sake no the koji Iran adwuma na no ye but we say that players na no mo wonye omuni.
Okay.
Let me say Hames ni.
Yeah, I think there 2 or 3.
Yes, let me say Hames ni goalkeeper no. E no mo da so. But unim Colombia.
Okay.
Unim omo. Nti enye me nwanwa no ke omo enye me nwanwa. But game we obi taking the chances be able qualify. We say make sure say me predict game because game we very dicey.
Okay.
And na 2 and 3 no. Omo wa adwuma. Marvin Senaya o wa adwuma papa. Because Luis Diaz we share Hakimi ne Macqueen on so kra odo omo ye adwuma. Di Marvin wo adwuma pa e se Ghana for ka chen say Marvin ene adwuma no so chen de bia because Luis Diaz won timi more elite wingers 3 we Europe amoni di we very good we clinical because you easy say ubenya winger obehete obema 13 plus assist and ma 15 goals ni echi we very good
say Ghana winning now your chances in this tournament your highest here.
Who say last time no 2010 your quarter final.
Yeah.
And African countries them say 2 pen do semi final Senegal and Morocco. Yes, some pen do semi final. Intermediate. Me hope say Ghana you better quarter final. So Ghana it me tra quarter final no do semi final no because they one step at a time. It me tra do semi final cry ni free ma ya there.
Okay. But based on your performance what would be about the team? You be drew him.
Who's a football football no.
As an analyst, you be drew him.
baby ebedru de
to you.
baby ebedru
No,
de
based on
ene game no ene Colombia game
Uh-huh.
ene be che me
Baby,
how a Ghana
okay, Ghana win
so
here.
far
Ghana win here.
Ghana win here you betimi akofa
You be drew him. You be some who.
ye win here
Aye.
oh ye win here your route na nam na den because Argentina is clear favorite.
Oh, Argentina. And you see, I came for you over free.
I don't believe that.
So.
No, I don't believe that. Yes, a football a lack. Sorry. Yes, a football a game. Into Kotoko beat match Real Madrid.
A bit messy.
No,
Never.
nobody can convince me that.
Okay.
Unless say the Madrid for the academy players. Now if the Real Madrid for the omo players we wanna Africa cry Kotoko for nyade. Ela li cry to me. Ela li ko World Club Championship. So who they will say what to papa so koto. It's how much more TP Mazembe mo ne.
They're going to be
Want me no mo ukra ntimi show. It will be that ba share Real Madrid. But football there bibia timi si. Sa na de bi omo ka.
Yeah, wrap it up.
Yeah.
When a budget tournament we World Cup.
Oh, tournament we there be amakase.
Uh-huh.
It's between Spain, Argentina, between France, Argentina. It is Spain, baby a route na Spain na mo. Only France, omushia, they will qualify be share Argentina.
Okay. But Spain, any Portugal.
Oh, Spain be share Portugal.
Asadaka CM come on. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of the Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family.